Hey everybody, welcome back to theclinicaltrialsguru.com. Again, that website address for you. If you don't already know what it is, it's www.theclinicaltrialsguru.com. This is a quick, short video. I've never really done a real video on what a protocol deviation is. So for those of you who are study coordinators or sub-Is or PIs or CRAs, no doubt you've heard about this. But basically, a protocol deviation is exactly what it sounds like. Anytime you deviate or you stray from the protocol. And it could be something major. There's major protocol deviations where you might lose the study, like forgetting to dose a study participant on a certain date, or forgetting to do certain safety assessments before giving them the investigational product. Then there's also minor protocol deviations. So these are ones that do not affect the study participant's safety, but are still protocol deviations nonetheless. So an example of a minor protocol deviation may be instead of collecting a urine sample from a subject and shipping it to the lab for a drug urinalysis, you collect urine and you actually process it in-house. It means at your site. Technically, it's still a protocol deviation because you did not actually send it to the lab. So that's a minor one where it does not affect study participant safety. A major one is, like I said, forgetting to do an ECG or checking someone's blood pressure before assigning an investigational product to the study participant, which in fact may be harmful to him based on their ECG results or their vital sign results, something like that. That would be major. In either case, protocol deviations must be, there's special forms for them, so each protocol has its own protocol deviation form, and when it happens, you got to submit it to the sponsor. In the cases where it affects the safety of the study participants, you have to submit it to the IRB. In the cases where it does not, you may not have to. And in both cases, you have to do a corrective action plan. So a site corrective action plan. Why did this deviation occur? How will it be prevented in the future? And how is staff retrained on the protocol so that these things don't happen again? That, in a nutshell, is what a protocol deviation is. Anytime, doesn't matter how minor or how major it is, if a protocol deviation occurs, you must fill out the protocol deviation form, send it to your sponsor, let your CRA know definitely about it, and when applicable, send it to your IRB, your Institutional Review Board. Want to give my Clinical Trial Guru producers a shout out. That's Sarah Elizabeth Siegler, Resolve Research Solutions, Accurate Clinical Trials, Erdhart Clinical Trials, PTNR, Patrick Stone, Darshan Kulkarni, Biopharm Systems, Zymewire, Mozio, South Coast Clinical Trials, Breakthrough Clinical Trials, and St. Paul Medical Research Center in Miami, Florida. Thank you all very much. Dan from theclinicaltrialsguru.com. Take care.